Hi everyone, this is Sandy from Scissors in the City. Today's make and take is made by using the Spellbinders BetterPress letterpress system. The items you'll need to make this card are a tweezer, adhesive, some tape, and your make and take packet, along with a die cut machine. And I'm using the Spellbinders Platinum 6. So in your packet, you can set aside everything except your small BetterPress paper. And prior, I have added some tape on here to mark where I want my paper placed. So I'll set that within the marks. And we need just a little tape to hold it in place. And we set that aside and we get the main letterpress plate. And I've already positioned the die where I wanted it. And then we use the BetterPress ink. And this all comes with your kit. And then we tap that on. You do not squish it on, you just do a tap. Spellbinder suggests a tap and turn. Then you take your plate that is already ready, and it'll just, these are magnets, and just hold your paper in place. And then run it through your die cut machine. At this point, take it off, but do not press down. After running it through your machine, lift up. Do not press down. There you have your image. So we can take it off our plate and set that aside. Next, we need to score our card base, and this is just a standard card size. And adhere your gold paper to the card base. And then we'll take our BetterPress paper and adhere that to the gold. And you'll need your dimensionals. And what I like to do is just kind of slide those off. And I use the medium and the smalls. Place these wherever you feel you'd like them to be. Put another one up here. And then your card is done. Now this one I colored with watercolors. I used Distress ink and a water brush. You can also color them with colored pencils, but Copic markers do not work on this. Thank you for watching.